Wow. Look at those butterfly. Hiningal ako kasi yung makita ko. Galing tayo dyan sa baba. O, diba? Ayan. Okay. Ay, kakamalaki. Kita ko mahulog dun.
When you go down to left side of the store.
Ay. Ayan. So we're gonna go upstairs. Kasi hindi pa natin na-reach yung castle ni Pinocchio. So na-explore na natin yung baba. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Club. Maybe the club.
There's a show at 11.
10 to, dapat 10.
Not
even there. Nothing yan.
So, na-explore na natin yung baba. Now, we're gonna go up. Doon sa castle ni Pinocchio. So, this village is separate by two. So, if you go first doon sa baba, then you have to go back again doon sa pinaka-entrance niya to be able to go up all the way on the top of the castle. Ayan.
You want to take a picture with the little prince?
Oh, later I'll do that.
Alright.
Thank you. That's our tour guide. So, we're gonna go up. Hiningal ako doon. Of course. Walang exercise. Puro walk na naman tayo. Okay, let's go. So, yan yung entrance door, mga guys. This whole village are separate by into two. Okay, so if you want to explore doon muna sa taas, going to the castle ni Pinocchio, then you have to go this way. And then yung sa baba naman is this way. So, what I did earlier is in-explore ko muna yung dun sa baba bago ako umakyat. Kasi tingnan niyo naman yung aakyatin ko. O, diba? Para namang, di ko alam kung aabutin ko ba yan. Ang dami kong aakyatin dyan. Sasakit na naman yung mga binti natin dyan, mga kapatid. Ayan, so, na-explore na natin yung sa baba now. I think I'm ready. Medyo nag-charge na yung katawan ko. So, we're gonna go upstairs. Okay? Let's see what do they have dun sa taas. Yan. So, mostly daw yung mga Korean novela, dito nila ginagawa yung mga show nila. Meron din famous yung mga Korean artist natin na favorite nyo siguro. Dito nila ginawa yung mga photoshoot nila. So, let's check. Okay? Samahan nyo ako. Okay, kaya natin to. Ayan. Diba, inuna ko muna yung madali kasi eto, mga kapatid, napakataas niya. Nakita niyo ba yan? So, syempre, maaga pa, hindi pa masyadong gumagana ang ating mga katawan after ng long walk kahapon. Na si Pinocchio, oh. Ayan. Okay. Let's go use this. Ayan. Feeling ko kasi mas mahirap to eh. Diba? Ayan na si Pinocchio. Ayan. Ganda. So go, let's go. Pasukin natin ang castle ni Pinocchio. Hi Pinocchio!
얘가 제대로 된 맛, 얘가 제대로 된 맛찬데. Wow, it's nice, huh? Totoo kayang gold to. Pero you know, you can smell yung pagka-antik niya ba. Ayan. So, ayoko na masyadong maglakad mga guys kasi naikot na naman natin halos lahat. Ilang years na lang naman ang hintayin natin para bumalik tayo dun sa bus natin. So, after this village, I believe we're gonna go to Ngami Island. We have to ride a boat bago pumunta dun sa island na yun. So, I have this smoothie kasi wala pa akong coffee the whole day. Our meeting, ang tour is they pick me up around 8 o'clock yan. And then I also ordered hot dog na may garlic sa taas, masarap.
Diba? Ang daming sticker. Kung na makapapunta ka dito, you can just put your name. Meron siya dito. Sticky note sa katong pen. So, I'm gonna write it down here na, I've been here! Let's see. Hi. It's me. Mary Ann. Q. And I've been here. That makes sense. I don't know. Basta, ididikit ko siya dito para hopefully, kung meron man makapunta sa inyo dito, you guys will see that I've been here. Oh, yay! Lagyan na natin yung sticker natin. Okay. I think I put too much mustard. Kaya tumutulo na yung mustard niya. So, I am wearing a dress and then of course a rubber shoes. So, kailangan kasi comfy shoes ka. So, it's a lot of walking. But this smoothie, so good. Amazing.
Did you want that one or did you want coffee? Well, they have.